Hello everyone, Sid here back again with another video. In this video, we're going to discuss about Laravel 8 new feature. So before starting this video, I want to discuss with you, if you're using Laravel 7 or any previous version, then you need to install PHP 7.3 version, then you can install Laravel 8 version. So how you can install Laravel 7? So I will also explain a new video how to install. Okay, so before installing your system, be uh, first you need to install Laravel 7 you need to install 7.3 version, PHP version basically. Okay, so once PHP version install your machine, then you need to install Composer. Okay, so Composer, then you need to install Laravel. So how you can install Laravel? You can check from the description area this link. Okay, so once you get this link, then you need to open this link, and also you need to install from here. This is the git branch. Which branch you need to install? Develop. Okay, so once you get the develop version, then you can install. This is a basically latest version always. Okay, so now I am going to show you here some version system. Hope so you understand. Now what are the changes, what are the security policy provided by Laravel? So here already written something about the which version has a fixed bug issues till something, you can check here. Okay, this is a Laravel 8 version, so you can check. This is September 8 2020 and September 8 2021 something. This is a security last. So after this, Laravel not provided any security issues by Laravel. Okay, so here some changes from the last previous version Laravel 8. First is Laravel Jet stream. So what is a Jet stream? So basically Laravel Jet stream is before the Laravel 8 versions. We are already know about how to register login system in Laravel 7 before also like 6 or 5 something. So now here some more features provided by the Laravel 8, like you can sign in and forget password, something you can reset, and also two-factor authentications, session management, API supported by Laravel. Okay, so these are the some latest features in Laravel 8. Okay, and also Jet stream design using the this one, Tailwind Css. Okay, so if you want to know about the Tailwind Css, you can just click on this link. Okay, so I will also explain in new video everything about these things, so I'm skipping right now this one. Okay, so this is a Tailwind Css. Okay, so Jetstream is designed by using Tailwind Css. Okay, also here the model directory. Before Laravel 8 versions, always we know about the sometimes we're difficult for the new developer who are coming using different cake PHP and coding writer sometimes. So what are the difference between the Laravel 7 and 8? So in Laravel 8 we have the specific folder for the model. Okay, so also before the previous versions we need to write everything in app folder, which is already present some user.php which is model, and now user.php model which is present in the model folder. So if you want to see something, I have already installed in my system, so you can check here. So here we have the app folder. Inside the app folder we have models. So inside the models I have this one, which is the user. So before this version we have the user.php inside of the app folder. So now we have inside of the app models folder. So now this is very helpful for the new developer also. Okay, model factory reset. What is a model factory reset? Sometimes we need faker data basically if you want to generate faker data. So here what we need to do, suppose if you want the factory reset something, if you want to store faker data like username, email, password, post something, any kind of data you want to store inside of the database, then you can use as a faker. Okay, so what are the changes in Laravel 8? So if you want to insert a faker data, then you need to write scope resolution operator and class name, then you can insert inside the database. So these are the features are supported in Laravel 8. okay, specific like this one. Look here, we have the user and the factory, and count something here. You can create how many data you want to insert something, then you can use here count. Okay, so these are features in Laravel 8. And also some features is here, so I will explain you in new video. Okay, so right now I'm escaping these things. And migration sequencing, also this is a new features in migration sequencing. Sometimes we facing some issues. Suppose if you are running your migration, so sometimes if already exists something, then you can skip here, as compared to Laravel 7 something, your all suppose if you are running, you already install set up in the your inside of the database, but your execution is stopped. But now here your process will execute it also. Suppose if escape, this files will escape something. So these are features in Laravel 8. So this is also very good. And okay, so here I will explain in the job batching. So I have not so much clarifications about the job batching. Okay, so now I am skipping this one. And also here the improved rate limiting. So here the some limitations using for suppose if you want to execution type particular duration something, so you can specify duration. So your execution process will until this something a particular time. If you want to 5 seconds, 6 seconds, something, any specific durations you want, so you can put it here. Okay, so per minute something, you can execution the get limit you can put here. Okay, so for the limitation purpose you can do that, this one. Okay, so improve maintenance system. So what is this improve? Sometimes suppose if you want to with every user specific, no one can check your, this is a maintenance purpose. And if you want a client can check this is a maintenance, but I want to see something, not particular all the user, but I want to see what are you doing something. Okay, then you can share something new feature in Laravel 8. This is, you can run this command php artisan down and secret key, this one. This secret key especially for the user. This secret key, if you're using generating this secret key, then you need to give your client, and your client will run this kind of, you can check here, this is domain, suppose facebook.com/ and this is a secret key. So user can check what are the updated in your project, so you can check here. Okay, so these are the feature in here Laravel 8. Okay, so also closer functions, also closer dispatch and chance something. Suppose like here, what is the closer something? Okay, so suppose if you have implemented closers, any executions kind of things, if configurations, and so you can put here like this one. Okay, so I will explain this next video. If I make a new video, then I will explain everything about a dynamic blade component. Okay, so here are the dynamic components. Suppose if you want to make a website for the different country, and if you want to reflect your data a particular specific country, specific language, then you can use the dynamic blade component. So here we have the dynamic blade component, new feature provided by the Laravel 8. So you can use Laravel 8 this kind of. So I will explain also in brief about the how you can implement the dynamic blade component. So right now is keeping this feature. Okay, event listener, also the some improvement by the Laravel. Okay, so event listener also the new features. And okay, so here the time testing helpers. If you want to specific something kind of, when you occasionally use something you need to particular time duration something, then you can write here something millisecond, second and minute something. Okay, so how many time particular specific want to travel execution for the your code, how many second and minute something you want, so you can put here particular time durations. Okay, so for the also this is the amazing features by the Laravel now. So artisan improvement, suppose if you want to configure something in .env file. Okay, suppose if you want to change the database, and if you want to use a name, any kind of suppose changes you want in your .env file, sometimes is very difficult to analyze also. So especially for the new developers. So if you're using Laravel and you're changing something inside of the database, so also I have got some comment from my viewers. They are facing sometimes issue how we can do that something, if you changes something inside of the your .env file and you're running your code, and but your code not performing well, so then you need to stop your server, then again you need to start your server. So sometimes it's a very panic, but now here in Laravel 8 you don't need to do that. If you want to change, you can change. You don't need to stop your server then again restart something. This is the new feature in Laravel. This is amazing and supporting by the Laravel. So here some are paginations view also in Laravel, say Laravel 8. So hope so this is a really good features provided by the Laravel 8. So I will explain every video, every features in brief, also the practical and something, everything I will cover in Laravel 8 tutorial series. And so if you have any doubt related to this video, please comment on comment section. Definitely I will try to make more good videos for you. Thank you for watching this video.